In this video, I'm going to show how parents can find parent codes under their student's account. So first, the student needs to log into their Canvas course through Rapid Identity. And then what they're going to do is here on the dashboard, they'll see what courses they've been enrolled in. But what they're going to do is they need to click onto their accounts, go to Settings, and once you go into Settings, on your right side, you'll see this little button here that says Pair with Observer. Then there's going to be a unique code that you can copy and paste. This code will last for 7 days until the parent pairs it with a student. After 7 days, it's going to be a different code. So once you copy and paste that code, now the parent will go ahead and co-enroll into Canvas. So you're going to go onto Canvas AISD, go under Parents. Here are your instructions if you want to see it step by step. I will also have this uploaded into our presentation. But Parents, you'll be going under here. And then if you are a parent of a Canvas user, you'll click here for an account unless you already have one. Parents, you're going to set up your first and last name, your updated email address, create a password that'll be easy for you to remember, and then here is where you will paste that student pairing code. Click on Agree, and then you can start participating. As an observer, parents, you are able to see certain things from your student's account. So parents, you can see announcements, see what assignments they have. You're able to look at the course syllabus. You're able to look at their calendar and see any upcoming due dates. You're also able to look at their grades. You are able to see what conversation your students are having with their teachers. And you can also message us directly from Canvas as well. What you cannot do as an observer is submit assignments for them, take any of our quizzes or assignments. You are not able to message other students, and you are not able to join us in any discussions. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.